What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I am going to be reviewing and testing, swatching, and giving you guys this tutorial on the brand new Unleashed palette from Tarte. I did this makeup look using most of everything from the collection, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you want to see how I got it, then just keep on watching.
Coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, 'cause I'd be lying to you if I...
So here is the entire Tarte Unleashed collection in its PR box. And here is everything you get. Ta-da! So you get a pair of lashes. You get the Unleashed palette. You get two Big Ego mascaras. You have a mini and a full size. You get a chrome paint shadow and then a chrome paint highlighter. So here is the Tarte Unleashed palette. This is Swan Song, Oh Dear, Hypocritical, Bare Necessities, Qualified, Two Can Do It, No Fox Given, Iguana Love You, Irrelevant, Totally, Your Lion, Monkey Business, Camouflage, Awkward, and Party Animal. Definitely a super pretty palette. The names are super unique and I love it. Love it, love it, and definitely a colorful palette for Tarte. Here's a swatch of the highlighter and the chrome paint in the shade Unleashed. Hello you guys, welcome back. This isn't going to be the best voiceover in the world because there is the dog barking in the background and the air conditioning is on, so bear with me here. But we're going to start off with my primers. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Illuminating Primer, and then I am using the Milk Makeup Blur Stick just to blend and smooth out my skin. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Foundation, Full Coverage Foundation, and then we're jumping over to the palette. I kind of jumped around just a little bit in this video just because I filmed a foundation Friday for you using this foundation, so make sure to go and check that out. If it's not up yet, then it will be up on one of the Fridays. So we're jumping into the Tarte Unleashed palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend a lighter color into my crease and then a deeper, more red brown into the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm using this lighter gold shade, and then I went back in with my finger and used the much more gold shade. I kind of went with a simple look for this. I felt like when I looked at this palette I did see a lot of color, but more kind of like this type of look. I was actually going out, so I didn't want to be too crazy with it, but of course we know some of you guys like crazy, some of you don't, so this is for those that don't like too crazy of a makeup and don't love color that much. So I'm applying the Big Ego mascara, and then I applied the lashes that came with the collection, and then I'm going to go ahead into the NARS Creamy Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Custard, and then I'm setting everything with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and I believe the shade that I used is medium here. And then I used the Cover FX Skin Perfecting palette just to do basically everything else except for highlighter. So I used the bronzer in there, I used the blush in there, and then we're going to use this loose, I don't know if it's supposed to be loose, but it's one of those chrome paint pots from Tarte, and I just used that to highlight my whole face and, you know, put it in the inner corners and brow bone. Sprayed the Stay Spray setting spray from Tarte, and then we move on to lips. I'm using a Lancome lip liner, Jessie James Decker Alex Persico Cosmetics lipstick, one of my favorites lately, and then I topped it off with a Sugar Rush lip gloss, and this is the final look. Just a super put together glam look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you have bought this palette and you've tried it already and you love it, let me know down in the comments below. If you want to go buy it, let me know in the comments below as well. And tell me what you guys liked about this collection, what you want to see from Tarte next. I want to see some more color. this was like on its way. This was on its way to more color. Thanks guys so much for watching as always. Make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all of my other videos here on the side. Love you.